Welcome to Neural Tech Analytics. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful libraries in the Python ecosystem, Pandas. All the concepts in this session are industry relevant, frequently used in real-world data projects, and often asked in data science interviews. Arithmetic and data alignment. Let's start with arithmetic operations on series and data frames. One of Pandas' strengths is automatic data alignment. It aligns on index labels, not just on position. Import pandas as pd_s1 equals pd.series. 1, 2, 3, index equals a, b, c, s2 equals pd.series. 4, 5, 6, index equals c, d, print s1 plus s2. Notice how Pandas automatically aligns the series on their indexes. Values that don't overlap are filled with NaN, representing missing data. To handle missing data gracefully during arithmetic, we can use methods like .add, .sub, etc. with a fill_value. Print s1.add, s2, fill_value equals 0. This is extremely useful in data cleaning and feature engineering, especially when merging or comparing data sets. Function application and mapping. Function application lets you manipulate and transform data efficiently. Let's use .apply with a lambda function on a data frame. df equals pd.dataframe, a range 1, 5, b range 10, 14. Print df apply lambda x_max minus x.min. This is applying a custom function column-wise to calculate the range of values. .apply is powerful for row, column-level transformations. Now let's look at .map, ideal for element-wise operations on a series. S equals pd.series, 1, 2, 3 print, s.map, 1, 1, 2, 2. Use .map when you want to replace or transform individual values in a series. .apply, right-pointing arrow for row or column operations. .map, right-pointing arrow for element-wise transformations. Sorting and ranking. Let's now see how Pandas helps us organize data using sorting and ranking. df equals pd.dataframe, a, 3, 2, 1, index equals c, a, b, print df sort_index, hash sort by index print, df sort_values by equals a, hash sort by column values. Next, ranking helps when you want to assign order to values. For example, assigning rank scores to exam results or sales figures. S equals pd.series, 7-5, 7, 4, 2, 0, 4, print s.rank. By default, Pandas uses average ranking. You can customize it. Print s.rank, method equals min, ascending equals false. These techniques are essential for feature scoring, data filtering, and building KPIs in dashboards. Access indexes with duplicate labels. What happens when your data frame has duplicate index labels? Let's look. Import numpy as npdf equals pd.dataframe, nprandom. randn 4, 3, index equals a, b, b. Print df. Now, try accessing rows using .lock. Print df.lock, a. Instead of a single row, you get multiple rows because the label a is duplicated. This can cause confusion in analysis or filtering. Use .group by or .reset_index to handle duplicates cleanly when needed. df_grouped equals df.groupby, df.index.mean. df_reset equals df.reset_index. This is very common in messy real-world data, especially in logs, transactions, or time series data. That's it. You've learned arithmetic with alignment, functional transformations, sorting and ranking, managing duplicate labels. These are core building blocks of professional data analysis workflows. At Neural Tech, we offer industry-aligned data analytics training that leads directly to job-ready skills and real-world results. Visit our website to learn more.